Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to be magicians using numbers. I'm not a magician myself, but we're gonna do some magic here, and this magic is number magics. Right now, let's go direct to this video. It's quite interesting. This is about how a number is said to be a magic number. First of all, what is magic? Yeah, I often wondered, magician. What do they actually do? These people, do they perform these miracles or paranormals? Or I'm sure at one point in your life you must have come across a magician. If not heard about it or read about it, then probably you've encountered one. Okay, and they actually do magic, real magic. Turn water to something, pull a rabbit out of the I don't know, cape, make things disappear. I always wonder, but is it real? Do they do these things? Now, this is not what I'm going to teach you about. No, I'm not a magician. I don't know about magic, but this thing about magic number really interests me. It's quite fascinating. Why do they call it magic number, first of all? Why is it magic? So magic has a meaning. Okay, magic. The name magic is an English word which has a meaning. Now in this case, let's not beat about the bush. So directly go to the video. So a number is said to be a magic number if the sum of its digits are calculated till a single digit recursively by adding the sum of the digits after every addition. If the single digit comes out to be 1, then the number is a magic number. Can I repeat it? A number is said to be a magic number, full stop, if if the sum of its digits are calculated till a single digit recursively. If the sum of its digits are calculated till a single digit recursively. That's a full stop, I guess. By adding the sum of the digits after every addition. Now, if the single digit comes out to be a 1, then the number is said to be a magic number. So I don't know. Let's do it. See how this magic works. For example, we have a number here. Let's write it down on the board. For example, I'm going to write and show you. You know, I'm saying for example, so you understand what example is. For example, number, let's give the number is equals to 5113. Let's give this number. Now I want to see how it's magic number. This number is said to be magic number. Why is it magic number? Let's do it. Now, it's equal or greater than. It's as simple like that. Equal or greater than. And then we have this simple. This means equal mathematically. This means greater than mathematically. This is simple. It's maths actually. I'm sorry for those who hate maths, but this, you are not gonna hate this one. This is quite interesting. So let's add these numbers. 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. I'll show you. I can't write what you're watching there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you see what I've done? I've taken each number like 2, These are 2 or 5. This is 5. From here it appears like 2. That's 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. I'm simply adding that number in this format. Equal, greater than. What does that mean? Equal, greater than. It shouldn't be less than this. So maybe if it's less than this one, then it will not be magical number. So let's add and see what happens. Now 5 plus 0, it's 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. Okay. Sorry, I nearly took my camera off my chest with this board. I have a camera. So, sorry, mic. I call it a camera, but it's a mic. So here we have now this 1, 0. Okay. Now we'll continue with this same operation. We have 1, 0. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. You see what happened? Now when we got 10 up here, now we're adding this here recursively, then we're gonna get 1. This thing 1. So therefore that number is a magic number. What happened here? You see, it came to this when we perform these additions here. When we perform these additions of that number here, from 5, 0, 1, 1 plus 3, which gives you the result 10, then you bring it down here, then add 1 plus 0, it gives you 1. Then that number means it's magic number. So that's what it means. So another example of the same, you can also think yourself now from here that what other number can be a magic number. Let's have another number which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we're gonna add it recursively. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So I've taken that number there. I've taken that number here and I'm adding that down here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what is the result of this? Let's add it. Take your calculator and see what is the result. Equals or greater than. This will give you also 10. So now give you 10. If you add those numbers, they give you this. And just like what you did before, you're going to add 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Equal or greater than this, which you got from there. When you add those numbers, you got this as a result. This is a result of the addition of these numbers. Now you add this one. That's 1, 0 here. Then it's going to give you 1. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4 is also a magic number. Interesting. So this is how it goes. If you add the numbers that forms the number, each individually, digits, single digits. What do you understand by digit? By adding the sum of the digits after every addition. Okay. What forms the number is the digits. So if you add these things then you get 1, then that becomes a magic number also. So you can think of any other number. So in this thing, it's very important actually. As you see, it is not so simple as you see it. It's also, you can use it in computers also, like what's the input, what's the output, but it's not like it forms anything important in computer, because you know this is not computer. Let's not go there. Now let's have a number that is not a magic number so that we can compare. So let's have what we have just done, which was 1, 2, 3, 4. We did this one just now. We added 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4. This one 4 gives you 10, and 1 plus 0 gives you 1. This is a magic number. Let's have another one that's let me arrange it in a very good format. I think I'm gonna clean this. I hope you're not bored by this video. I like it a lot. Input. Although I'm not a magician myself, I like this thing. So we have had 1, 2, 3, 4 as an input, and we've had output to be magic number. I'll show you. Now you are seeing my head. We've had this input and output is magic number. Let's have another one. Input. Let's have an input of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's have an output. I hope you know what input and output is. Output, not a magic number. Not a magic number. By now you know, you can see. You get the idea where we are heading to. So now look. Now I've written it clearly for you. We input that one. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4 gives you 10. And then it's magic in the sense that once you get 10, then you add 1 plus 0, it will give you 1. But now in the other case down here, if you take 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, what is that? 6 plus 4, 10 plus this. Am I right? Let me just check. This is 3, 6, 10, 15, to give you 15. Okay, now 15. Let's do it. If you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, it's gonna give you 1, 5. Now 15 would be 1 plus 5, give you 6, right? If you actually add it properly, you're gonna get 6. Let me check it again, because 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 5 is 15. So you have 1, 5, and if you add 1, 5, it give you 6. So it's not magic, because if it's magic, it should give you 1. So that's the magic of it, is that this is a number. When you add some of its digits, the result it will give you recursively. It's gonna give you 1 as a final result, and that's a magic number. I don't know whether there's any astrological significance for astrologers. Maybe they can tell us. If you are an astrologer and you are watching this, you can comment below and tell us what this means, because me, I really don't know, right? There are things that we don't know, but why it's really magic is the fact that it gives you 1. Does that 1 have any significance, or in a paranormal sense? Yeah, like you can predict something from it. It's crazy. Okay guys, a brief video. I just wanted to show you this thing which I came across and I liked it, and I hope you also like it. I hope you learn something from this. You can perform this magic. There are several other numbers. So this is just an example I gave you. You can perform this magic of recursively adding the sum of the digits, then finally you get 1 as the finality of it. It has always have to be 1 in the end. It's funny because if you take like in this case we have 1234, then it's gonna give you finally 1. That's really magic. Or if you are taking 50,111 that I gave you before, and when you add the sum of its digits recursively, finally it's gonna give you 1. So 1 equals to 50,113. That is really magic. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video today. I hope you have enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe. If you really like this, kindly subscribe to my channel. It's a request, not a command. Yeah, you know, when you're subscribing, you're supporting the channel. If you don't care, you can imagine what will happen if nobody subscribes to the channel. It means the channel will die, simply. If you are enjoying what you are seeing, please do subscribe. Okay, bye. See you in the next one. Bye.